Next. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Thelma. If you're new here, you're welcome, and if you're not new, you're still welcome. Thank you for clicking on another video. You guys mean the world to me. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. It's absolutely free of charge. Click on the subscribe button and click on the notification bell right beside it so you get notified anytime I post a new video. So guys, let's go into today's video. Today we're going to be doing a makeup challenge. I'm going to be picking my makeup order out of this cup. I already have all the steps that I'll usually take for like my everyday makeup or for like my simple nude makeup. Before we start this video, let's pray. Father Lord, as we're about to do this makeup challenge, the makeup is gonna be fine. This is how it goes. I'm going to shake it and then I'll pick something randomly, and that is going to be whatever I pick is what I'm going to start with, and just like that. Hey, let me show you guys first. What's that? Eyebrows. Yay! Eyebrows, my enemies. Oh God, you see, it's always good to pray. See it though. Bright, it's too bright, it's too bright. Okay, yeah. Can you guys see it now? Eyebrows. It's good to pray. So guys, I'm done with my brows. So let's see what the next step would be. What's that? Bronzer. Really? Oh my God. It's okay. It's not too bad. So this is what we're looking like. Next. Lip liner and lip gloss. I honestly hope you guys can see this thing. I tried my best, to write this in fine handwriting, so I hope you guys can see it. Lip liner and lip gloss. Okay, we move. Next. Highlights, right? Hey, here is God. Guys, I actually plan to go out with this makeup, but the way things are going, it's looking like I'm gonna clean it. I'm just gonna clean it because I cannot disgrace myself. Pressed. Are you kidding me? Pressed powder. Hey, it's over. Let's just end this video right here, because what? Hey guys, I'm using Milani pressed powder. I want you guys to see that I am actually using it. Set my eyebrows because opportunity comes but once. Let me set though before I'll go and pick eyeliner next, and I've not set my eyes. Before I'll be waiting for setting powder will not disappoint me, and eyeliner will come out. Oh God, what am I even? Mask. Mascara. Mascara. It's okay. At this point, there's nothing I can do again. This foundation. Oh God. Primer. I actually forgot that I'm supposed to put primer before foundation. Thank God. This sometimes, this is why God does not answer some of our prayers, because He has better plans for us. Yeah. So I got primer. I hope you guys can see it, because it's primer, sha. Where is my primer? I already put powder on my face, but I mean, that's the game, right? I'm just going to put small, because as it is now, it's like I'm gonna clean this makeup. Let me prime my nose, my forehead, my chin. Hey, Jesus Christ. I think we have like 5 left. Setting spray. Come on now. Come on. Ah. Our next step would be blush. I think at this point I'm done hoping for the best. Setting powder. Really? I've not applied foundation. What's all this? Oh God. What's setting powder? I'm going to be using this setting powder. It's funny, but it's not funny. Honestly. Guys, I've applied pressed powder, I've applied setting powder. What am I going to use to set my foundation? How many is left? There's remaining 2. It's remaining 2. What's this? Eyeliner. At this point, we don't even care. We don't want to know. We're just doing it. Okay? I'm going to be using the Zaron gel eyeliner. Now I'm torn between creating a wing or just like short eyeliner. Go bold or go home. This eyeliner is not it. It's not what I planned. But we move. At this point, I just want to be done, honestly. What do we have here? Stupid thing. Rubbish. I don't need you anymore. Like, I'm so mad. I'm so mad at that paper. Ew, my blush. Oh God. This is not fair, honestly. I'm just going to use my beauty blender to just reduce the shine of this foundation, because now I don't have powder to set it, because I already used the powder. This life not just balanced. It actually doesn't look bad though. Honestly, it doesn't look bad. Like, I can actually go out now. I can't go out with it. This eyeliner will not allow me to go out with it. But if I didn't make a mistake with this eyeliner, I could have actually gone out with it. Okay, let's just see what the last step is, guys. We're done. Let's see what the last step is. Contour. I haven't forgot about that. I totally forgot about this step. Okay, I'm using this contour powder from Zaron Cosmetics face definer palette. Yeah, that's what I'm using to contour my face. And you guys, just give a round of applause to this foundation. Like, I didn't use any powder to set it, and this foundation, just look at it. How well did I do? Just let me know in the comment section. Just rate me from 0 to 100. If I should rate myself, I'll give myself like I'll give myself 90, because this thing was scattered. It doesn't look bad. Like, if I went with my normal makeup order, it would look something close to this. So it doesn't look bad, like, at all. So let me know what your thoughts are in the comment section. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet subscribed. I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.